Let's make some money together at the WeCook campus. You may not understand the amount of money that can be made teaching cooking. So use this to your advantage, to build a business. One purpose can be to make the most successful cooking classes and courses on the WeCook campus. If you can be successful at this, your purpose will quickly turn into a money-making machine. Again, you don't need to be an expert on anything. Believe us when we say this. One more note on this: to be successful you will really need to research and use your intuition to its fullest potential. Currently on the WeCook campus, there are some topics that are very well covered, while others have little to no courses on them. Since there aren't any limits on how many classes you can give, you can potentially find your own cooking niche and completely dominate it, becoming the leader in that specific niche. Leaders are usually the ones to make the most money, so always keep this in mind when researching niches to target. You want to be a leader in whatever you do here. Join us now to get started, teaching cooking and earning right away.